So Drake, this is the orientation of the washer and dryer setup. Sorry. Problem is, here is the hot and cold returns for the washer and dryer. So what I need is these or a whole nother setup to be ran along here. Hopefully, 90, 45 and put here. So I don't have to, that's just not a good look to have them hanging like that. So the ask is to run a line, run hot and cold line here. Close those up, I guess. Solder and close these up, and just run new lines to the back for the washer and dry, for the washer. Just kind of trying to give you video enough to help you understand the job.